In today's video, I'm going to teach you count cells containing specific text. If you want to quickly find out how many cells contain a certain word or phrase in your spreadsheet, here is a simple and very useful formula you can use. This is especially helpful when you are working with lists of products, survey answers, categories, or any kind of repeated text data and you need a fast count without checking each cell manually. To count cells containing a specific text value, use the COUNTIF function. The formula is written like this, equals COUNTIF. Then open parentheses, add your range. Type a comma, and then place the text you want to count inside quotation marks. For example, if you want to count how many cells contain the word apple, you would enter equals COUNTIF, open parentheses, range, comma, quotation mark, apple quotation mark, close parentheses. The first part, the range, tells the spreadsheet where to look. This could be a column, a row, or a selected group of cells, depending on where your data is located. The second part, the text in quotation marks, is the exact word or phrase you want to count. In this case, that text is apple. One important thing to remember is that text values need to be placed inside quotation marks, so the spreadsheet understands that you are looking for text, not a cell reference or another type of value. Also, make sure the range you choose includes all the cells you want checked. Otherwise, your total may be incomplete. This function is great because it saves time and reduces mistakes, especially when you are working with larger data sets. Instead of filtering or scanning visually, you can let the formula do the counting for you instantly. If your data contains the same text multiple times across the selected range, COUNTIF will return the total number of cells that match that text. So if apple appears in 5 different cells within your range, the formula will return 5. That's all you need to do to count cells containing specific text. Once you understand this pattern, you can easily swap out the word apple for any other word or phrase you need to count in your spreadsheet.